Hi guys, so for those of you who don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs. And if you don't already know, I attended AWFS Fair at the end of July, American Woodworking and Furniture Suppliers Fair in Las Vegas. And it was a lot of fun. I mean, I met some new people. I met old friends, made some new friends. Saw some interesting new products that are coming out, and some products that had been out that I didn't know about, as well as just talking with people, talking with some of you guys actually. Some of you were there and recognized me and come up and said hi. That was fantastic. I love doing that. I love being out and having someone recognize me and come up and we start talking about woodworking or their business or CNCs or whatever. Had a lot of great conversations with a lot of different people, and it was fantastic. It was a really good time all around. And if you haven't ever been, I highly recommend that you try to go in 2025. They do it every other year. 2024 is the IWF in Atlanta, and then in 2025 is AWFS in Las Vegas. So yeah, I highly recommend going. They have classes that you can do to learn new things, new finishing techniques, new edge banding techniques, all different kinds of things. Yeah, so if you haven't ever been, and I recommend going. It's highly educational, highly informative, and just fun. Get you out of your shop for a minute, but you're still learning about stuff. You're still doing what you love doing. So with that said, I spent a lot of time with my friends from Next Wave, and if you haven't never talked to these guys, they're a great bunch of guys and girls. It's not just all guys; there are girls there too. I ran into them. I ran into the folks at Betrick. We had some great conversations, and the guys at Next Wave, they were so excited about all this new stuff that they've got coming out. They've got a lot of great accessories coming out. And if you remember back in my previous video, or one of my previous videos, when I was talking about why I chose the HD 520, I said that one of the reasons was because of the number of accessories that you can get to add on to it to expand its capabilities. And that's what these guys do. They are constantly coming up with new things to add to it. And they were really excited about a whole bunch of stuff that they're coming out. But their most recent thing is this, the RS1000 Pro. Now, it's not a CNC and it doesn't attach to my HD 520. What it is it is a router lift and fence system that is deadly accurate. And these guys showed off the capabilities of this thing to me when I was there. And I was blown away. It's got so many capabilities. And I know there are a couple other videos out there on it and things like that, but they don't even scratch the surface of what this thing can do. They were kind enough to give me this one, and I'm going to get it set up, and I'm going to do some videos for you about how it works and about some of its capabilities and things. And there's a couple of features in it that I'm really, really excited about, and I want to be able to share that with you guys. So I just wanted to touch base with y'all and let you know that I am still here. I got really busy after my last video, and I filmed a couple of videos. I've got a new lathe cart that I've designed, and I'm going to be putting a video out on that, as well as a couple other things. And I've got another accessory that actually does go on the Shark that I'm going to be doing a video on that as well too. And I'll explain later, but I owe Becky and Todd and all those guys, all those people at Betrick, huge thanks for how they helped me with this one. And you'll see in that video what I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm going to be putting this together. I've got another thing that I got from Bridge City Tool Works that I'm going to be showing off to you guys. And yeah, hopefully we're going to have a lot of fun this winter and get some videos out for you guys. So yeah, until next time, guys, happy creating.